Hi everyone, welcome back to TechWise. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a bootable USB flash drive using a free tool called Rufus. All we need is a USB drive and a PC. So let's get started. First, we need to download the Windows 11 ISO image file. Open your browser and let's search for Windows 11 ISO download. And let's click on the first link from the result, which should be the official Microsoft website. You'll also find the direct link down in the video's descriptions below. Let's scroll down to the Download Windows 11 Disk Image section. And from the drop-down box, select Windows 11 Multi-Edition ISO. Wait a second, then select your language and click on Confirm. And finally, click on 64-bit download to start the download. Now let's open another tab and download our free tool, Rufus, which we'll use to create the bootable USB drive. Go to the official Rufus website, link below, scroll down to the download section, and let's select the second link, which is the latest portable version. Once both downloads are complete, go to your downloads folder and let's double click on the Rufus. Now plug in your USB drive if you haven't done so already. Under device, you should see your flash drive shown up. Just make sure it's the correct one because everything on it will be erased. Under boot selection, select disk or ISO image, then click on the select button and let's navigate to the downloads folder and select your Windows 11 ISO we downloaded earlier. Under image option, select standard Windows installation. Under partition scheme, let's select GPT. Now most modern computers use UEFI, which works best with GPT. If you're creating the USB for an older computer that uses legacy BIOS, you may need to select MBR instead. Click on the Start button, and here you have the option to bypass Windows 11 requirement for unsupported devices. If you're installing Windows 11 on an unsupported hardware, leave the first two options checked. If your PC is officially supported, you can uncheck them. If you're not sure, it's okay to leave them checked, then click on OK. Next, you'll see another message asking you to confirm formatting the USB drive. Click OK to continue. It will take a few minutes to complete, and once it says ready, close Rufus and safely eject the USB drive. Your bootable Windows 11 USB drive is now ready to use. Let me know in the comments if this worked for you, and please like and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, bye for now.